Congratulations.
All right, Zayna, congratulations. All stars, first BMW. Welcome to the family. 1, 2, 3.
We're getting a new car, a big body car. Welcome to the channel.
As you can see, we're in Zayna's Lexus.
My favorite car in the whole wide world, and I would never, ever, ever love another car more than this one.
We didn't even do as much as we should have done with this car on the channel. Shit, we haven't even done as much as we should with my car, and I've had it for several years already. But Zayna got a wild hair up her ass, as she sometimes does.
Good thing he's here.
And she feels like she wants to trade her car in.
Can we talk about why?
Talk about it, girl.
Okay, so number one.
Let's leave this short and concise.
Okay. I just want a bigger car. Even though I had always said that my next car was going to be like Louie's twin car, I was gonna get the M2, but I don't think that's the car we need right now. And I do want a bigger car because, as nobody knows, I work with children and I have a lot of things that I have to take to work, and if I have more space, it could help me be a little more organized, and Louie could use it like when he wants to go biking. I know that he really wants to do that, so I think it'll be a good thing for us.
What are we not gonna do today?
You want me to answer?
Yeah.
Okay. We are not going to make hasty decisions.
Well, yes, that too, but what we're not going to do is get our hopes up.
Oh.
Yes.
Got it.
See if you can guess what car we're in.
No, it's really nice. It drives really smooth.
Here again.
I knew something.
You feel a difference or what?
Yeah.
Let's see how Zayna handles the V8. What is it, like five something horsepower in this?
Should put out 523.
523. Got more horsepower than me, girl. You give it a little gas, not too much. Just a little. Get a little more, girl. Come on now. You don't have to break no speed limits or nothing. You hit the gas? What do you think?
It's nice. It's different.
Compared to your car?
Yeah.
How do you like sitting a little bit higher?
I like it.
Okay.
Alright. We'll go back.
Just kidding.
No.
Crazy? He's not. You have to unlock it.
What do you mean?
Release button on the left side.
Oh.
Do you like slow?
I do. Yeah. Probably be my 4th year almost out here now, but I enjoy it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. You're gonna be driving crazy in this thing.
I don't even drive crazy. I really don't.
15 minutes later.
Alright, we're in a new car now. Literally.
It's on, yeah?
No,
Or
so
no.
foot on the brake and then the push to start's at the central.
Same setup.
Yeah. How you like this feel better?
It's nice.
Pretty similar setup, honestly. Just no carbon fiber.
I feel like it's smoother.
Hit the gas. Hit it a little bit. The gas, come on. You don't have to freaking go 100 miles an hour, you just test it out.
Yeah, it's really smooth.
Yeah.
I like the color. It's like different.
Like almost like a Nardo gray. I'm just gonna turn around. I don't need to drive it too much.
I think the interior of the other one is nicer, but it obviously like it has whatever like the stuff.
I guess it must be a BMW thing, the turn radius not being very good. I mean, it has more than enough power. I think the drive is pretty similar. I mean, I like the other one, but it's your car.
A lot of boring math later.
So I would like to say that deep down inside, I'm actually really sad that I don't have my Lexus anymore. I feel like a part of my identity is lost, but I love change, so I'm excited. I'm excited because I'm carless now.
I mean, we can't do champagne, but we could do some
sparkling cider?
Yeah, sparkling cider.
Really?
What the?
Got some more goodies for you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
And then we'll do a little cheers.
All
Say
right.
his first BMW.
Wow.
Hopefully many more after this.
Yeah. I'll come in after a year to give you a review. Thank you so much.
Congratulations on your X5.
All right.
There you know, it's your day.
Alright, Zayna, congratulations. Well, sir, this is your first BMW. Welcome to the family. Ready to see your X5? 1, 2, 3.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
So how do you feel?
I feel like I need to go freaking home and I need to go eat.
So as y'all can see,
We bought a car.
I thought for sure we weren't gonna leave here with the new car. But if you guys are familiar with the channel at all, then you would know when Zayna got her last car, the type of decisions she just makes. Like when she wants something, she wants it.
Yeah.
So as y'all can see, Zayna got a not a brand new. So how do you feel? Went from the Lexus.
I don't want to see my ex.
You're gonna cry.
Yeah.
From the Lexus to the X5 M50i.
Oh, my baby.
Are you sad, Zay?
Heartbroken.
Really?
I'm a Lexus girl. You don't understand. Look how cute and beautiful that design is.
This car is better.
Yeah, I love the inside of this one though.
Wow. Zayna got a new car. Unfortunately, it already got dark, so we're gonna have to continue the content mañana.